Hey everyone. Imagine Sarah, a 45-year-old mother of two, struggling with chronic fatigue and high cholesterol. She tried various diets and supplements, but nothing seemed to work. Then, she stumbled upon a simple solution, adding a handful of pumpkin seeds to her daily routine. Within weeks, her energy levels soared, and her cholesterol levels dropped significantly. Sarah's transformation was so dramatic that her friends and family couldn't help but notice and ask about her secret. Stick around because today we're revealing the incredible health benefits of pumpkin seeds, and trust me, you won't want to miss this. Unlock the power of pumpkin seeds, why you should be eating them every day. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Beyour Health, and in today's video, we're diving into the top health benefits of pumpkin seeds. Plus, we'll share fascinating facts and easy ways to incorporate these nutritious seeds into your daily routine. Before we continue, remember that this video is for educational purposes only and is no substitute for professional health advice. And don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing health content. Let's get started. Segment 1, Nutritional Value and Health Benefits. Pumpkin seeds, often overlooked and discarded, are nutritional powerhouses packed with essential vitamins and minerals. Rich in magnesium, zinc, iron, and protein, these tiny seeds offer a plethora of health benefits. They are also an excellent source of antioxidants and healthy fats, making them a valuable addition to any diet. From boosting heart health to enhancing sleep quality, pumpkin seeds can significantly improve overall well-being. Segment 2, Research and Health Benefits. Research shows that pumpkin seeds can play a crucial role in managing various health conditions. For instance, a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that consuming pumpkin seeds can lower the risk of heart disease. Another study highlighted their potential in reducing the risk of certain cancers due to their high antioxidant content. Additionally, pumpkin seeds are known to support prostate health and improve urinary function, making them particularly beneficial for men. Segment 3, Boosts Heart Health. First up, heart health. Pumpkin seeds are great for your heart because they contain magnesium, which helps regulate blood pressure and keep your heart rhythm steady. Imagine adding just a handful of pumpkin seeds to your diet to help keep your heart in top shape. It's an easy, natural way to support your cardiovascular system. Segment 4, Enhances sleep quality. Next, let's talk about sleep. Pumpkin seeds are a natural source of tryptophan, an amino acid that promotes the production of serotonin and melatonin, helping you get a better night's sleep. Struggling with restless nights? Try a small snack of pumpkin seeds before bed, it might become your new go-to for restful sleep. Segment 5, Supports prostate health. For the men out there, pumpkin seeds are especially beneficial for prostate health. They contain zinc, which is essential for maintaining prostate function and health. Pumpkin seeds are a natural way to support your prostate health, making them a must-have in your diet. Segment 6, Reduces inflammation. Pumpkin seeds also have anti-inflammatory properties due to their high antioxidant content. This can help reduce inflammation and pain in conditions like arthritis. Think of pumpkin seeds as a natural way to support your body's inflammatory response. Adding a cup to your daily routine can make a big difference. Segment 7, Improves mental health. One of the most surprising benefits is their impact on mental health. Pumpkin seeds are rich in tryptophan, which helps boost serotonin levels and improve mood. Feeling happy and relaxed, and mood enhancement. Incorporating pumpkin seeds into your routine can provide a natural boost to your mood and help alleviate symptoms of depression and anxiety. Segment 8, Regulates blood sugar. Pumpkin seeds can also help regulate blood sugar levels due to their low glycemic index and high fiber content. Stable blood sugar levels, and blood sugar regulation. Maintaining stable blood sugar is crucial for overall health, and pumpkin seeds can be a tasty way to help manage it. Segment 9, Promotes healthy digestion. Lastly, pumpkin seeds promote healthy digestion. Their high fiber content helps keep your digestive system running smoothly, preventing constipation and promoting regular bowel movements. Feeling bloated after a meal? A handful of pumpkin seeds can help keep your digestion on track. Quiz time. Okay, time for a quick quiz. Which mineral in pumpkin seeds is essential for prostate health? Is it A, magnesium, B, zinc, or C, iron? Comment below with your answer. If you guessed B, zinc, you're right. Great job. Real life testimonial. Now, let's hear a real life story from Sarah, who experienced amazing benefits from adding pumpkin seeds to her routine. Sarah, can you share your journey with us? Sarah: Sure. Hi everyone, my name is Sarah. I started eating pumpkin seeds a year ago to help with my energy levels and cholesterol. Since then, I've noticed a significant improvement in my overall well-being. I feel more energetic, my cholesterol has improved, and I'm much happier. I highly recommend giving them a try. Thanks for sharing, Sarah. It's amazing to hear how pumpkin seeds have positively impacted your life. Recipe 1: Pumpkin Seed Smoothie. Alright, let's make something delicious. First up, we have a nutritious pumpkin seed smoothie. Here's how you can make it. Ingredients: 1/4 cup pumpkin seeds, 1 banana, 1 cup spinach, 1 cup almond milk, 1 tablespoon honey, optional. Instructions: blend all ingredients until smooth. Pour into a glass and enjoy a nutrient-packed smoothie. Recipe 2: Pumpkin seed salad topping. Next, let's create a crunchy pumpkin seed salad topping. Perfect for adding a boost of nutrition to any salad. Ingredients: ½ cup pumpkin seeds, 1 tablespoon olive oil, ½ teaspoon sea salt, 1/4 teaspoon paprika. Instructions: toss pumpkin seeds with olive oil, sea salt, and paprika. Roast in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 15 minutes. Sprinkle over your favorite salad. Recipe 3: Pumpkin seed energy bars. And finally, let's make some tasty pumpkin seed energy bars. Ingredients: 1 cup pumpkin seeds, ½ cup oats, 1/4 cup honey, 1/4 cup peanut butter, ½ cup dried cranberries. Instructions: mix all ingredients in a bowl. Press the mixture into a baking dish and refrigerate for 2 hours. Cut into bars and enjoy a healthy snack on the go. Tips: by adding pumpkin seeds to your routine, you can take advantage of their remarkable health benefits. Remember, it's all about making small changes that lead to big results. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more tips on natural health and wellness. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with anyone who might benefit from these tips. Take care, and stay healthy.